In this problem, we're going to want to rewrite a negative under a radical in terms of I. So what we need to remember is that the square root of negative 1 is equal to I. So if we can express our radical in terms of the square root of some number times the square root of negative 1, that will eliminate the negative from under the square root sign because we can replace the square root of negative 1 with I. So in this case, we have the square root of negative 75. We can begin by writing that as the square root of 75 times negative 1. And that's the square root of 75 times the square root of negative 1. So we have the square root of 75 times I. And then 75 can be broken down. That's 3 times 25, and we still have our I. So that's the square root of 3 times the square root of 25 times I. But the square root of 25 is 5. So we have the square root of 3 times 5 times I. However, the 5 usually goes in front of the square root, so we'd have 5 times the square root of 3, and then we'd have an I, being careful that the I is not under the square root sign, that the I comes after our square root sign for 5 times the square root of 3 times I.